welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am participating in a Christmas in July video. And this video is in collaboration with two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that is Kerri from Momma Dares to DIY and Keisha from Sweet Urban Rose. And what they asked us to do was to create an ornament or any type of item that you're going to use for Christmas this year. So if you want to see how I made this little baby, keep watching. This year's theme is crystal and ice. And what they have asked us to do is to create some items for Christmas. It could be ornaments, garland, anything that you are going to be using for Christmas this year. And so I am going to recycle ornaments that I used last year. These ornaments I made and used in my Scandinavian style Christmas last year. Very simple DIY. So these are ornaments that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and we are just going to be repurposing these ornaments. So if you are interested in seeing how I created my DIYs for my Scandinavian Christmas last year, I will leave a link in the iCards above for it in case you are interested in checking that out. So let's get on with this DIY. So as I said, we're going to repurpose these ornaments. This is actually a terrarium. It also came from the Dollar Tree. It also had a DIY. It had some Spanish moss inside, along with a candle. It was also, again, one of my DIYs from last year, so make sure you check those out if you're interested in a Scandinavian style Christmas. And so what we're gonna do is go ahead and clean these up and get them all prepped, and then we'll come back and we'll start our DIYs for this year. All right, so we have cleaned up our ornaments. They're all fresh and new. And now we're going to start our Christmas in July DIY for this year. This year's theme is Glitz and Glam. So we are going big this year. It's gonna be all about the glam. And I'm going to be using some of these gems that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I have this container here. I've had this for several years, and this container here that has larger gems. You can pick these up from Hobby Lobby when they are 50% off. So this one was $18, so I got it for $9. And this one I think was around the same price, but they go a long way. So we'll be using those. Guys, I have put together a couple of ornaments, and I absolutely love them. I am going with a fire an ice theme, or maybe not so much fire, but just an icy theme on one of my trees this year. And I think these ornaments will look oh so nice, and they're so big, and I think they look more expensive than $1 because the ornaments came from the Dollar Tree and the gems came from Hobby Lobby, as I mentioned earlier. So you can get so much bang for your buck. And now we're going to do a different design. I always keep the ribbon that comes with any plates that I buy from Home Goods because I can reuse it and make Christmas ties at the top of my ornaments with it. So I never throw this away. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's quick Christmas in July ornament So I hope you enjoyed my quick little Christmas in July DIY ornament. My theme this year is Glitz and Glam, and the overall theme is going to be crystal and ice. If you are new here, my name is Sheryl. Welcome. I love decorating with style on a budget and making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are interested in as well, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and make sure to hit it twice so you are notified every time I upload a video. I will be starting my holiday home series August the 1st. It will be fall, starting with fall, and then it will go all the way into Christmas. I was debating whether or not I was going to decorate at all this year because of it being a really strange year. We won't be having our annual Halloween party, and Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. I love decorating for it, and I wasn't going to decorate because we won't be having our party, but my boyfriend's like, do what makes you happy. I know that makes you happy, so do your thing, girl. So I will be decorating my home for Halloween and fall. So if you are interested in how I decorate, I go all out, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of those videos. I'd like to thank Kerri from Momma Dares to DIY and Keisha from Sweet Urban Rose for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun, ladies. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. Remember, hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.